na siya parang experiment more with acting, singing, try different genre,
Yes.
work with different people.
Yes, I believe that this is also a sign for me din to try more things kasi yun naman talaga yung ginagawa ko eh. Lagi akong open sa new ideas and new decisions.
Right.
Kasi matagal ko na siyang pangarap. Kaya it's perfect kasi it's the perfect time to experience and learn new things. Especially kapag bata ka pa.
Correct.
Right? So, as young as now, gamitin ko na yung youth ko to explore and do other things that I'll grow into it and I'll see in the future if I want to keep doing it or not. But this is truly a reminder for me to keep going.
Last few questions na lang, Kai. Kamusta naman yung Roja? Patapos na rin yung
Yes.
Roja.
Actually,
Gusto ka na ba mag-shoot? Not yet.
Roja has ended shooting na, taping na, last month pa. And, pero patuloy pa rin ang Roja. It's still streaming, so go and watch it. Kasi it's almost ending na din. And humahaba, hindi humahaba, mas nagiging bigger pa yung thrill ng Roja. Kaya abangan nyo, most especially the ending episode.
Kaya may question lang ako. Kasi marami sa mga kapanabayan mo may mga love team. Ikaw ba, mas gusto mo may ka-love team ka or solo actress ka?
Ako naman, I believe kasi that in my profession, I'm open to working with anybody.
Okay.
And I'm not closing my doors. I believe that what I'm doing is right naman. Wala namang tinatapakang tao. So, yun lang. Okay lang din naman.
Kumusta yung friendship ninyo ni Kyle after Roja?
Oh well, Kyle has been a great friend of mine ever since MMK. So, I believe that after Roja, I think our friendship naman has strengthened even more. So, I'm looking forward to more projects if ever it may come. And, ayun, I'm so glad nun talaga na nakabuo ako ng genuine friendship with Kyle.
Ano yung mga dapat asahan namin sa'yo after Roja?
Well, ako kasi, I'm all over the place in a good way. And again, as I've said kanina, I love trying new things and I love putting myself out there, but I also want to hone my craft before ako gumawa or do something. So, I know that people are excited to see what's next. And I'm sure naman na meron at meron niya aabangan pa. Pero sa ngayon, abangan muna natin.
Ay, sino makeup artist mo? Sino makeup mo yun?
Follow natin.
Thank you, Kai.
Thank you so much.
Salamat, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat. Mabilis na lang.